The best part is that I'm like recording.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad you are actually.
I know,
so
so am
pleased
I.
that you are.
I'm gonna watch us play this game back every time I'm upset about something.
And that sounds like that.
That's on Vagina Slay so hard.
Huh?
What?
We eat this.
Alright, ladies, let's Vagina Slay this up. Girly pop style. That's what's fucking up.
Reload.
Alright, we still Vagina Slay this up.
Can you give me a goddamn?
Nice.
Ah, not the fucking off. Fuck that
down.
bitch. Fuck that fat ugly bitch.
Nice.
Fuck her.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Skull fucker corpse
Honestly.
right now.
What?
Huh? Huh?
Huh? What? What, did I say something? We know right now, Scrappy, you're not a female, but it's okay. You can still be in the Vagina Slay Club.
We win
Match
this!
point.
To win, just dump all your
Can I
clothes
get a
on.
hoorah?
I'll fix it up.
Hooray! Hooray! Y'alls.
Y'all, we y'all
No.
this up.
No.
We y'all
No.
this up like real
No.
Texans. Let's get them.
Fuck that shit.
Let's get them.
No.
Y'alls.
Y'all this up like
You know how you
Texans.
extend the
We
Y at
get
the end,
it.
but the S this time. Y'alls.
Yeah.
I'm
Y'all.
literally going to cry.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna cry and then violate you all.
Huh?
What?
Oh, 119 Omen.
Excuse me?
What? Pardon?
He's on top of the pyramid, like on top of it.
Can you say
Well, I'll
that
get rid
louder
of
into the
him.
microphone?
I'll get rid of him.
Sage, if you can listen me when you can, that'd be Vagina Slay, slow.
Oh shit, it's B. Hardcore B.
That's kind of cute.
Yeah, hardcore B right now. But
Slay!
Nice.
eating that shit up.
Go.
Beautiful work, everybody.
Nice.
That was
work,
wonderful.
All that's not really cute right now. Honestly, Cheers.
Oh, the bucket! Hurrah!
Nah.
So excited right
I'm a
now.
Bucky hater.
The bookie? You
Love the
hate on
Bucky.
Bookie?
Mm.
I'm a Bucky
Mhm.
hater, honestly.
The Bookie is the best darn tootin' shotgun in the South. The flavors are melting.
Nothing on your tongue, honestly. Actually, no. You're a Bucky lover. It's actually
See?
not. melting
So
on
hard
your
right now.
tongue. Don't tell me
Let's
so
be
hard.
so hard right now. Literally be so hard right now. What the fuck was Sage doing?
I whiffed.
It's alright, babe.
It's okay.
Last player
Is
standing.
it the 128?
Let's go.
Ate that shit up. Oh yeah, you teabag.
Fuck it up.
You
This is why
teabag them,
we are a
queen.
team.
That bitch.
Yeah.
Shut our toes.
Don't get too close.
Oh,
She
from our
has
spawn,
a-
from our spawn,
Okay.
from our spawn.
Nice.
Nice.
Loud.
E-girl,
Beautiful.
E-girl Tooth Fairy, you're carrying
Nice
right now.
loud.
Kissing you so hard
Thank
right now.
you.
No, it's so fucking loud, but respect.
We
Mad
slay
respect.
this up. We slay this up. Don't even worry about it. We slay.
Slay, eat, and devour right now.
Like, I like how Scrappy just like isn't acknowledging the fact that they talk.
Yeah, it's okay right now.
It's mid. Ah,
Yeah, mid.
I fucked up my orb.
Oh,
It's so hard right
we're
now.
going to be.
Get him. Get him.
Ah,
I
nice
fucked
try.
up. I don't know.
I trusted you. You
No,
betrayed
I'm
me.
sorry.
Even with
Last player standing.
Oh, 97.
They're all basically a one shot.
30 seconds left.
Nice. Shit, E-girl Tooth Fairy.
See.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Slay loud. And that's on Slay loud.
Winning so hard right now.
I hear they went the zippy zip into tunnel. Someone did.
Well, fuck me, I guess.
Sova removed.
She went to close that door, but you said nope. That was not a slave.
Hell no.
Oh my
You have one
god!
health.
Hi.
Oh my fucking god. Nice!
Nice job.
We're just better.
Ignore my KD, but yeah, we're just better.
It's okay, bae. KD is, not everything. Yes, please. I do need a loan,
Can I get
actually.
this? Thanks.
She's so
Thank you so
grateful.
much.
Welcome.
So thankful right now. Kissing you so hard right now.
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Who said that?
What?
What right now?
Oh my god.
That's cute.
I got 0 on him.
Last player standing.
He
Nice!
looked at you.
Ate that shit
Yeah.
up.
Teabag.
Yep. Teabag that shit up.
Tasty.
Make their
Yum.
your weapon.
Huh?
Or use a gun. Whichever.
Huh? What?
Who said that?
No, it's
think that was you.
always- If someone says something out
I
of
don't know.
pocket, it's literally always the case.
I-
I'm so
Oh,
dead
it's true.
ass.
Is it?
I don't know what you mean by out of pocket. I'm the most in pocket person ever.
She's the as one may say a Polly Pocket.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely.
Like mid. Yeah, mid.
I love that.
Slay!
And that's on Slay Slap.
That's on Vagina Slay so hard.
Huh?
What? Bae, it's bae.
It's
What
definitely.
the
Bae
fuck?
so hard. My toes are tingling. I think that means we're gonna win.
Oh.
My toes are curled all the way to the fucking bottom of
All
my feet, dude.
gripping the floorboards off the ground, even.
I've been
Dude, this
practicing
carpet-
lineups for attacking. I'm excited.
This carpet over here under my
Oh,
feet
slay.
is
We will
fucking
slay on our
bomb.
side.
Yeah, it's
You
A
want
so
to
hard
play?
right now.
Let's play.
I don't want to play actually.
God damn.
One
Hell
enemy
no,
remaining.
That's my
bitch,
fucking duo.
Fuck you.
That's my
Fuck them
motherfucking
for
duo.
real. That was a slay.
Flawless.
Yeah, that was
That
so
was a slay
sexy.
slap, guys.
That was so very sexy.
That was
actually.
a fucking one shot to the head.
We eat this
All
up.
right, ladies, let's vagina slay this up, girly pop
Mhm.
style.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's fucking up. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Reload.
Oh, that one?
Don't shame people. Don't
Yeah.
shame.
I ran
I'm
out of
shaming
thingies
you
for it.
so. I'm
is so okay.
shaming you so hard right now. You
What?
know what? Just for that, I'm using my own gun. Fuck you.
I'll take it. See, I appreciate it. Look at it.
Thank you.
Sucks ass, but I'm appreciating it.
Just let it happen. Just let it happen.
Yeah.
Pistol and pistol crime, I guess.
Spike down
Look at
A.
Slay. And that's on Slay.
I'm running for it! Fuck
Don't
this!
push.
Look at this shit! Ah! Look at you saw me! Bitch! Explain
Oh
yourself
my-
right now.
I
Explain
was
yourself
shooting
right
that. I didn't know you
fucking
were
now.
coming out to me. I didn't know that.
We got
I'm so
lineups, it's
short.
okay, it's okay.
I'm so short.
Oh.
Oh, it was a little bit too short.
Ah.
That's okay right now, girl. That's okay. Alright, we still vagina slay this up.
That expression is freaking me the fuck out. Like the more you say it,
Vagina
It's
Slay.
a
We
Making it
vagina
any-
slay!
it's not making it any more normal the more you say it. It's like it still feels very
I think
weird
it
every
actually is
time.
very normal. It's very normal for me, my love. It's okay.
Oh.
Alright, Paige, you're safe with me. This is a safe
Oh.
space.
I don't think
Is it
so.
though?
This is
I
a
don't
safe
feel
space
very
in
safe.
vagina slay, okay?
I don't
my
feel
love?
very safe.
It's weird as fuck, actually. That's so very weird. Oh, I love being blinded. I actually do have a boyfriend, my love. I do. So hard, actually.
Healing.
What the fuck? I love my really
I know.
delayed timing.
I'll take Spike.
Dreams are
Alright.
Shouldn't Viper take Spike
okay.
because she has her lineups, or
Technically, if I die, then I can't use said lineups.
This is
Just
so
let me-
true.
Know what I'm saying?
but Grace knows where your lineups go, or is she just planting?
Here.
randomly? There's 2 dots.
That's
on
the only
map.
one I know for this site.
Spike is
Oh,
down.
there's somebody there.
Spike down
No!
A.
What a
Healing.
She's so silly, honestly.
Last player standing.
Why are they so fucking aggressive? Like, goddamn.
I'll find you.
Chill the fuck out.
Bring them down.
Slay.
Above average Chris. Oh, oh shit. below average, Chris.
Why'd you call me
I'm
by?
so sorry.
What will it be this time?
I'm so sorry, my
Have any
love.
patterns
It
emerged
had to
yet?
be said.
I'm
Just
muting
kidding. I
myself.
love you.
Bye,
You're
guys.
above average. You're above average, or at least average. It's okay, my love. Hugs and kisses. XOXO.
To bed after that comment, honestly.
No, my love.
Yo, Sage,
Okay,
can you
right
just
now.
want me in this corner here,
We
please?
go.
Oh, don't actually, don't.
Don't be emo. Don't be emo. God, it's okay right
Oh,
now.
we slowed it.
Break my heart into pieces.
This is my last resort. Suffocation.
I hear them mid tunnel. Ooh, somebody dropped.
They're always fucking flanking us. Fuck.
One's
They
playing.
love to flank. They're obsessed with flanking.
Hawk out. Blinded.
Flanking is a vibe, though.
I ate his little head up.
Love it. Love it.
Slay. I just have to say slay after everyone. It's very important.
Slay for such a slay the system, Mr. on the radio stereo.
I'm just gonna say y'alls.
Y'alls?
Y'all?
The opposite of slay.
Mmm. So
No.
correct.
Y'alls.
No right now. No
Who
right
said
now.
no? Yes. Lucky, which is not very cute of her, honestly.
Yeah, that's not vagina slay of her.
The best part is that I'm like recording.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad you are actually. I'm
I know,
so
so
pleased
am I.
that you are.
I'm gonna watch us play this game back every time I'm upset about something. Ooh, goddamn, Viper.
I'm running.
That was, as some may say, vagina slay, right? Right?
They
You can
just
avenge me.
One enemy remaining.
No, he's mid
He's
at
mid.
130. Just sneeze on him.
Enemy taken out.
Yes, yes.
Achoo! You're so very
The music
welcome.
playing so very quietly in the background is very
Oh, I turned that fucking music off. That shit pisses me off. It makes my inner demons come out. Okay, the voices.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Yeah, like it's like a trigger or something. I don't know.
This is concerning conversation, if I'm being completely honest.
My love, this is so normal for me actually. Oh no, they're pissed. Watch out.
You're so pissed.
They're so very pissed right now.
Oh, Neon's mid with her ult.
Goddamn.
Placing alarm bot.
Don't worry about it right now. God, this is
I'm
so
kind of
bad.
worried.
I'm not worried right now. I have no fear.
Can you give me a goddamn?
Nice.
Ah, not the fucking off.
Enemy
Fuck that
down.
bitch. Fuck that fat ugly bitch.
Nice.
Fuck her.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Skull fuck her corpse
Honestly.
right now.
What?
Huh? Huh?
Huh? What?
Yes,
Yes,
Spike,
right now.
right.
Kill him
Breathe
so
in.
hard right now.
30 seconds left.
No.
Nice.
Got him.
You guys
You
are
fucking got
actually
him.
just better. Vagina slay. Vagina slay.
Don't panic. Trembling is bad for
Say,
you.
we win these. We win these. It is so very okay right now.
Yeah, we win these. Easy money. Easy. Too easy right now.
Scrappy, stop pretending to be a girl.
Yeah, Scrappy, we know right now, Scrappy, you're not a female, but it's okay. You can still be in the Vagina Slay Club.
You got this, Queen. You still got this right now. Honestly, so.
Ooh.
Spike down.
Turret, even though.
Oh, never mind. You got that.
Okay, eat that shit up right now.
Somebody.
No. Nice
Arr.
try.
It was
No,
a
you still
very,
ate.
very nice
You
effort.
still Vagina Slayed that up, sis. Girly pop.
I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Girly
I'm
pop
sorry.
style.
No.
No, you ate.
No.
No, you.
Bitch,
The
the
way she
fuck
said
you mean
no.
no? I already said yes.
The
So,
way she
my
so
word.
aggressive with her
My
no.
word.
You're gonna fucking eat
should go
if you
A.
want or not.
We should go A right now.
No.
We should go A so hard right now.
If I.
Really?
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Yeah.
You want to play?
I'm
Let's
feeling a little bit
play.
emo
Hell
right
no,
now.
I'm not peeking at.
Emo.
Oh, we do not. Maybe we don't do this, guys. Honestly, so
You fought well.
nice.
Scatter! Right now! Scatter! Scatter!
One's bridge.
I'm watching
Nice
something.
one.
Kind of.
Alright, my love.
Ish.
Alright, I trust you. I believe in you.
That was not a slay, honestly. Slay.
It's okay right now. Just skipping through here. Skipping so
Little
hard right
guy.
now.
I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna lose my weapon.
No,
Don't
you-
die.
you-
I believe in you. Don't die right now. See? You lived. I knew you would. I believed in you.
Where are we going?
I need a moment.
Remember what worked.
Yeah, it's okay. Take a breather. It's emotional. I get it. Near-death experience.
Cave slay.
Cave slay?
I like how they spelled slay. Like.
Like,
Santa slay.
Like
That's how I
Santa's
fucking
slay.
know they're not a woman. The way they spelled it like that.
That really shows. That really says so
Very
much,
obvious.
Stay focused.
Oh shit, I was like lagging very hard.
Can I have a heal, Sage?
God damn.
You scared the shit out of me.
Sage, can I have heal, please? Please!
Healing you.
Thank you. I'm coming so hard, Viper. Don't even worry about it. I'll heal.
Huh?
Come harder! Those of us fucking dead. Oh, they're coming from flank, by the way. Just thought I'd let you know they're coming from flank. They're coming from flank right now. Grace, they're coming from flank.
One enemy remaining.
I
Yep,
killed them
I heard you.
when
Jade,
they were
I
coming
heard
on
you.
flank.
I heard you. I heard you.
Just thought I'd let you know that I killed them on flank.
Nice shit.
Damn.
We win
Match
this!
point.
Once we win, just stamp on your toes.
Can I get a hoorah?
I'll fix it up.
Y'alls.
Y'all, we y'all
No.
this up.
No.
We y'all
No.
this up like real
No.
Texans. Let's get them.
Fuck that shit.
Let's get them.
No.
Y'alls.
Y'all this up like
You know how you
Texans.
extend the
We
Y
got
at the end,
it.
but the S this time. Y'alls.
Yeah.
I'm
Y'all.
literally going to cry.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna cry and then violate you all.
Huh?
What?
Oh, 119 Omen.
Excuse me?
What? Pardon?
He's on top of the pyramid, like on top of it.
Can you say
I'll
that
get rid
louder
of
into the
him.
microphone?
I'll get rid of him.
Sage, if you can res me when you can, that'd be vagina slay, slout. That would be on slay! Oh.
Spike down A.
I'll spike this down.
What the
Okay.
fuck was that shit?
This one cave.
Barrier created.
On my body!
Your duty is not over.
Wait.
This feels different.
We lived it!
Enemies here.
One bridge. To your left.
Nowhere to run!
Slay! Wall.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. He might be double doors.
Yes!
Attack.
Yeah!
Vagina slay queen! Y'all ate that shit up. So proud of y'all.